Guys, what's up? This is Pallab. I'm back again. New update, and this time it's not any cover. It's a tool. Hopefully many of you are aware of. We have a website called KrossNotes.com. So here we are presenting our new tool called Spilio, which will help you to extract any kind of audio stems from any of the files like MP3 or WAV. Will help you to extract all the single stems. It download into a very convenient zip format. To open a browser and just type in KrossNotes. You need to get the first link out of. So this is our landing page, and now you can just navigate to the tab called Spilio. Once you are in Spilio, you can just try with any of the files which you have in your desktop. So for now I'll just pick one of the audio files which I already have. I've selected it. It will come here. So once you click on extract stem, so it will take some time. There are different instruments such as guitar, piano, synth, etc. So you will be able to get all the individual files from here. It says download zip. So you get the copy of that zip format. So you need to just extract all. I'm just selecting my desktop, and here you go. So it will give you all the breakdowns like bass, vocals, drums, others. So that's pretty much it. You go and you can play around and let me know about any feedbacks, and if it helps, let me know as well. So yeah, cheers, take care, bye.